So it's time we talk about depression, about how we can beat this terrible condition. As you may know, it's something I've suffered with for 25 plus years, but I found that there's a lot that we can. And one of those things that we can do about it is really get out. Force yourself to get out of your house, up off the couch. One thing that I really like is getting into nature. So I'm super inspired this morning. So many people out here on Mount Shasta doing all kinds of really cool activities. So skiing, snowboarding, a little bit of mountain climbing. And when we're out like this, we can really begin to take in the energies. So, feel the trees, feel the mountains, feel all of that air. And what we want to do is really take that energy and direct that into our healing. And you can imagine all the synapses in your brain, those pathways that have been, going down one way in those depressive loops, having them start to open up. And what I want you to do is close your eyes with me for a second and just take in some of these energies. So form your intentions, your healing intention. Nothing happens without intention. And we're going to bring in the energies that surround us to help fulfill and manifest those intentions. We're going to pause. We're going to take just a couple moments here to allow this process to initiate for our day and start catalyzing a little bit of change in the direction that we want, in the direction of happiness, lightheartedness, changing thought patterns and changing the underlying beliefs that support them. Close your eyes for 1 minute. So what do you want your day to be like? How do you want to feel? Hold some of those intentions in the silence and let some of that energy come in. We're using energy, we're using the natural forces all around us to provide that momentum and catalyze our quest for depression-free life. And this is something we can do together. So we're going to be making use of these energies. I've spent many years practicing how to transmit and how to further enhance other people's processes. And if you join, we're going to be having some really, really good sessions and get this work underway.